High five. Yeah. So Landon's gonna be baby Jack Jack for Halloween. That's what you're gonna be? You're the reason why we're doing this video, huh? Look, we got milk all on the seat because of you. Because of you. What's going on, guys? Morlo here. Today I'm going to be detailing my interior of my Civic. My son completely messed up like the back of the interior. Has like a lot of milk stains and all types of stuff back there. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I used. I rented a tool from Home Depot. Like a shampooer machine with an attachment and stuff, so you could do like the carpets, you could clean the seats, clean whatever it is you need. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use. So this right here, this is the machine from Home Depot. It was like $30 for 24 hours. Basically dump the water and the soap inside there. This is the attachment they give you. That's what I'm gonna use for the carpets and the seats and everything. I got some like industrial soap that I'm gonna dump in there. This is Chemical Guys fabric cleaner. First thing I'm gonna do is take this brush with some water, use the spray bottle I also got from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna spray the seats and then start by just scrubbing it down with this brush that I also got from Chemical Guys. I'll put a link in the description of everything and stuff that I use. And then for the panels and everything, I'm gonna use this interior clean also from Chemical Guys. They're a good company, I rock with them. I use them for a lot of stuff, so let's get this going. A little hookah before we start. First thing, I'm gonna take this little spray bottle with the fabric cleaner, spray it all over the carpet. Then take a brush and just agitate all that dirt. Spray a little bit on the brush. Then I'm gonna get the machine and start shampooing this thing. All 4 carpets are done. Now we're gonna move to the interior of the car. It's my passenger seat. This is pretty bad. I'm gonna see if I could get it out, do the best I could. And the armrest too looks pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna get to it. Here's the real fun. My seats look really bad. This is all from going to Florida with my son. Some late nights with the lady. So we're gonna clean this place up and get this thing looking brand new. Interior is nice and clean, no stains on the carpets, everything smells good. It is wet, I don't know why I'm sitting on it, but I'm gonna let it dry out. The last thing I'm gonna do now is clean up the interior door panels. I'm gonna use some Chemical Guys interior cleaner. Spray that on the door panels. Get a nice clean microfiber towel and wipe it down. This gives a nice good smell to it too. It smells amazing, almost like a coconut. I'll do that to the rest of the door panels and pretty much done here. Don't you guys hate these scuffs? It looks like my wife, rarely, she's always in a rush. And she always has to scuff that out. But I'll knock it out with my interior cleaner. All the panels are wiped down. Seats look amazing. No more stains. Smells amazing in here as well. Did a good job. I'll leave a link in the description of everything I use so you guys could, you know, check it out, do it yourselves. This probably takes an hour and a half. So that'll be it for this video. I'll be doing something hopefully next week. I got something coming in for the car. It's gonna be pretty cool, so can't wait for that. See you guys later.